Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. So as per the title says, we are doing a saving challenge update today. So the reason I'm doing this because I have a good news and I have a not so good news. So it's already 6 months since I started my cash envelope system and the savings challenges, and now I'm doing some changes in my cash stuffing categories and also in my savings challenges. That is why I want to check that how much we have saved till now, and then the changes that I have done in my cash envelope system I'll tell you all in a minute. So let's check what we have in our savings challenges. These are the two envelopes. This is the envelope for my 52-week challenge and this is for my 50-week challenges, and in this sheet I have mentioned that in 52-week challenge we are supposed to save 13,510 rupees. So we will count now how much we have saved and we will check how much is still remaining, and same we will do for the 50-week challenge. So let's start with the 52-week challenge. So I'll count now. 1, 2,000, 3,000, 4,000, 5,000 and 100. So we have 5,100 rupees in our 52-week challenge. I'll put this back. This is a very small envelope for this. I need to update this. So we have 5,100 rupees. The remaining will be 8,410. So this is how much is still remaining, which is way more than half of the total amount. Now let's check for 50-week challenge. So this is cash in my 50-week challenge. By the end of the year we are supposed to save 27,500 rupees. So let's check how much we have saved in this. So we have 1,000, 2,000, 3,000, 4,000, 5,000, 6,000, 7,000, 8,000, 9, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 10,000 and 200 rupees. So we have 10,200 rupees in our 52-week challenge.
Let me just I'll put this back
and let me update. So we have 10,200. This is exactly double of my 52-week challenge. Wow, what a coincidence. So what we have left is 17,300 rupees is still remaining in our 50-week challenge, which is again a very huge amount to be covered in next 6 months. Yeah, I feel so sad about this. So the update that I want to give you all is from next month, or rather I'm filming this in July. Today is 4th of July. So from this month onward I have included 2 categories in my cash stuffing. First is investment. So I have started an SIP for 1000 rupees per month. So this is the first category that I am including in my cash stuffing, and second one is travel. I haven't fixed any specific amount for this, but we'll see. So because I have started this investment, I have decided that I won't be continuing this 50-week challenge anymore, because I don't think I can do these many challenges with the amount of salary that I get, especially as I have started investing now. So I want to like sort of divert this money into my investment. So what I'll be doing now is, first I will continue my 52-week challenge, and I will finish this challenge, and whenever this challenge is completed, and then I will start with my 50-week challenge. So there is no compulsion that I have to complete this challenge, but at the end of the year we will see. Whatever I will save in this, I'll be happy about it, but I will be completing this challenge for sure this year only, but I don't know about this. So this is the update I want to give you all. That's it. I don't have anything else to say. I'm a bit sad because I cannot continue this challenge, but there's nothing I can do about it. So thank you for watching my video. So the July cash stuffing video I'll be recording right after this video, and I'll try to upload it as soon as possible. Again, thank you for watching. Bye and have a great day.